The Charlotte Fire Training Academy isn't just where firefighters are trained, it's where they are shaped, challenged, and prepared for a lifetime of service. At the heart of it all is Division Chief Jeff Richardson, a leader, mentor, and advocate for progress in fire training.
I want to make sure we don't ever miss any opportunities.
Richardson's passion for training shaped his journey. He believes every firefighter walking through the Academy's doors deserves more than just instruction. They deserve preparation for the real challenges ahead.
Anything that can be learned, anything that can be practiced, anything that can be made better from a recruit perspective for the time that we have them, to make sure that we're taking advantage of all that time that we have with them.
Beyond recruit training, the Academy is responsible for ongoing firefighter education, ensuring that every member stays sharp and ready.
We deliver certification programs, and some certification programs we maintain the continuing education requirements for that. There's a lot of opportunities in the fire department, and if you choose a new career path, you want to work in special operations, if you want to be a leader in the organization, those opportunities are out there, and most of them will begin here.
Richardson sees training as more than a requirement. It's a responsibility to ensure every firefighter, no matter their rank, is ready for the job's demands.
I want to see smiles on faces when fire trucks pull through the gate because they're coming to training. I want to see us leveraging every piece of technology that's available to us to reach younger generations. The way I was taught by somebody speaking and listening to the person talking. That's not today's generation. They're very intuitive. They like to have control of their own learning. We've got to figure out a way to meet them where they are.
Under his leadership, the Academy has evolved, focusing on hands-on learning and modern training methods to meet the needs of the next generation of firefighters.
Historically, this has not been as much a place of training as it has been a place of testing. And that makes people nervous. And the older people get as they stay in this job, it makes them even more nervous. And I want people to come down here, and I want them to train in a manner to where when they're here, they get it right.
He has worked to change the culture of the Academy, from a place of pressure to a place of learning, where firefighters aren't afraid to fail, but rather are encouraged to grow.
I've been mentored throughout my entire career, and I hope that I have brought honor to that by mentoring others.
Richardson's legacy isn't about buildings or programs. It's about people. The lessons he's instilled in recruits and the mindset of growth he's brought to the Academy will endure long after his time here.
I didn't want to be somebody that was waiting on somebody to show up to fix a catastrophe. I wanted to be part of the solution, not a bystander.
For Richardson, firefighting has always been about service, stepping up when others need help. And through his leadership, he's ensuring that every firefighter trained under him carries that same dedication into their careers.
God puts us all here for a reason, and that reason is to love and to serve.